Welcome to In the Kitchen with Martha. Today we're gonna make some chicken kebab. So this is our chicken breasts and we're going to cut them. So let's cut our chicken breast into cubes. And then we're going to spice them. And we grill them. So we're going to transfer the chicken into a bowl. And we're going to add some spices. So I'm going to add 6-gun grill, 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to add this Aromat seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon, and then I'm going to add this exotic spices, also 1/2 teaspoon. And then I'm going to add some turmeric, and it's also 1/2 teaspoon just for color. And then to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, so we mix. These skewers were soaked in water. So now we put our chicken. So this is our chicken, and now we're going to grill it. This is my prepared pan, and I'm going to put the chicken, and I'm going to grill it. the chicken into the oven. At 180 degrees.